Wandering Canucks, and we're at Tokyo Joe's, and this is a wok meal. Proteins include beef, pork, chicken, and shrimp, and Mrs. Wandering Canuck has ordered a little bit of all of them. They have a buffet where you choose your noodles or your vegetables before you come up here. They're very good at accommodating allergies. And they do have gluten-free soya sauce, which is good.
Garlic or ginger?
No thanks. I don't want garlic or ginger sauce. I'll just have the gluten-free soya sauce. And that they do have. Excellent. Watching the meal being cooked right in front of you. We love it. Guaranteed to be hot. And here we go. Thanks for joining us for dinner. We're the Wandering Canucks. You can give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned.